Have you ever wanted to play piano without knowing anything about music? Now you can!
Hi everybody, I'm Matteo aka BattiM, and today I will show you my latest invention, which I called roll drums Pianethor. Yeah, the name is not that great, but it's the first thing that passed on my mind, so it will remain like this. Pianethor basically consists in two things. One is a strip of 72 bulbs, which I haven't found it online, 72 bulbs soldered together, so I opted for a strip of 72 LEDs. Why 72, you may ask? Because 72 is 6 multiplied by 12 if math is not an opinion. Second, what you need is a powerful
quantum PC.
No, just kidding. An ESP32, hopefully with a Type-C connector. I hate micro and mini USB. I'm not connector racist, I swear. And the last thing you need, yeah, I told you before there were just two, but this doesn't count, is a program that I made, especially without using AI. So what you need to do is basically program the ESP32 with my program.
Huh?
Yeah, program the ESP32 with my program, okay. And the program will convert the MIDI into LEDs based on your selected tempo. This is an example. Subscribe to my channel so you won't miss the next video in which one I'll show you how to build everything and how it works. Peace and love, guys!